And some of you guys watching might have experience with Angular before version 17. So this new setup is going to be a little bit confusing for you. So starting in Angular version 17, they got rid of the app.module.ts file. If you guys are new to Angular, you have no idea what I'm talking about, and you don't need to be worried about it. This, again, is only for people that used Angular before version 17. From version 17 forward, they got rid of the app.module.ts, and all of the components in here are officially standalone components, meaning you don't need to use ng module anymore, and the app.module.ts is gone. So if you guys are a little bit confused as to why that file is gone, that would be the reason. And this makes the setup in Angular much easier, to be honest, without the app.module.ts. So if you guys are a little bit confused, you will get used to it pretty quick, and you'll understand why it's useful and kind of simplifies things.
Watch the full video now. Link on screen and in the description.